Ever scrolled through your phone, stumbled upon a sleek, modern app promising to simplify your finances, and thought, who's backing this? Who's the real bank behind the curtain? You're not alone. In today's fintech boom, it's easy to get lost in the sea of startups and digital solutions. We see the app, we see the features, but the underlying infrastructure? That often remains shrouded in a bit of mystery. And that's exactly what we're tackling today. Think about it. We're living in a world where banking is no longer confined to brick-and-mortar branches. It's in your pocket, on your wrist, integrated into apps you use every day. But with this convenience comes a need for clarity. We need to understand who's holding our money, who's processing our transactions, and who's ensuring our financial security. Take B9, for example. You've probably seen it pop up in ads, promising early paychecks and a suite of financial tools designed for a specific demographic. It's got a distinct vibe, a modern feel, and it's clearly aiming to disrupt traditional banking. But here's the burning question. What's the actual bank behind B9? Who's the institution providing the crucial banking services that make B9 possible? This isn't just about satisfying curiosity. It's about understanding the ecosystem of modern finance. Knowing the partner banks, the infrastructure providers, and the regulatory frameworks is essential for making informed decisions about where we entrust our hard-earned money. Now, let's peel back the layers. You see, B9 isn't a bank itself. It's a fintech company, a digital platform, a financial technology provider. They craft the user interface, design the features, and manage the customer experience. But they rely on established, regulated banks to provide the core banking services. This is a common practice in the fintech world. It allows startups to focus on innovation while leveraging the established infrastructure and security of traditional financial institutions. So, who's the bank behind B9? The answer, in this specific case, is Lincoln Savings Bank. Lincoln Savings Bank, a chartered bank, provides the banking infrastructure that powers B9 services. This includes holding customer deposits, processing transactions, and ensuring regulatory compliance. This partnership is crucial for B9 to operate legally and effectively. But why Lincoln Savings Bank? What makes this partnership work? Firstly, Lincoln Savings Bank has a history of partnering with fintech companies. They understand the nuances of the digital banking landscape and are equipped to handle the unique demands of these partnerships. This experience is vital for ensuring seamless integration and reliable service. Secondly, Lincoln Savings Bank is a member of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC. This means that customer deposits are insured up to the applicable limits, providing an essential layer of security. This FDIC insurance is a critical factor for customers when choosing a financial service provider, and it's a key benefit of B9's partnership with Lincoln Savings Bank. Thirdly, Lincoln Savings Bank's infrastructure allows B9 to offer its unique features, like early paycheck access and other tools designed for its target audience. The bank's systems are flexible and scalable, allowing B9 to innovate and grow. Now, it's important to understand the dynamic of these partnerships. Fintech companies like B9 are often focused on innovation, user experience, and targeted services. They excel at creating intuitive apps and addressing specific customer needs. Banks like Lincoln Savings Bank provide the stability, regulatory compliance, and infrastructure. It's a symbiotic relationship. But the real question we need to ask is, why does this matter to you? Knowing the bank behind a fintech app empowers you to make informed decisions. It allows you to research the institution, understand its track record, and assess its financial stability. You can verify FDIC insurance, check regulatory compliance, and ensure your money is in safe hands. In today's fast-paced digital world, transparency is key. We need to move beyond the flashy interfaces and understand the underlying mechanisms that power our financial lives. Knowing who's holding your money is not just a matter of curiosity, it's a matter of financial literacy. Furthermore, this understanding helps you navigate the evolving landscape of fintech. You'll begin to recognize patterns, identify common partnerships, and understand the roles of different players in the financial ecosystem. This knowledge can help you spot potential red flags and make smarter financial choices. Let's also talk about the broader context of fintech partnerships. Many fintech companies operate in a similar way, partnering with established banks to provide essential services. This model allows them to focus on innovation and customer experience while leveraging the stability and regulatory compliance of traditional banks. Companies like Chime, for instance, also work with partner banks to provide their banking services. This is a common practice, and it's important to understand this model to navigate the fintech landscape effectively. The key takeaway here is that fintech companies often rely on partnerships with established banks to provide their core banking services. This allows them to focus on innovation and customer experience while leveraging the stability and regulatory compliance of traditional banks. So, when you see a sleek, modern app promising to simplify your finances, remember to ask the crucial question: who's the bank behind the curtain? Do your research, understand the partnership, and make informed decisions about where you entrust your money. And remember, the financial world is constantly evolving. New fintech companies are emerging, new partnerships are being formed, and new technologies are being developed. Staying informed and understanding the underlying mechanisms of these services is crucial for navigating this dynamic landscape. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.